The CAYNEL 4L Mini Fridge Cooler Warmer is like a personal cloud for your skincare. It gently cradles your serums and creams. It keeps them cool and ready for your routine. This little beauty fridge is also great for snacks. And it can hold your medications. It's a versatile piece for your home or office. Now you can keep your essentials at your fingertips. This CAYNEL 4L Mini Fridge Cooler Warmer uses thermoelectric power. So it is eco-friendly. And it has no harmful stuff. It can cool things down or warm them up. Just flip a switch. And it changes modes. It's perfect for keeping breast milk safe. Or for keeping your lunch warm at the office. It even works in your car. This makes it ideal for travel. Overall, the CAYNEL 4L Mini Fridge Cooler Warmer is quite handy. It's small but mighty. And it doesn't take up much space. It has enough room for your basics. Think of it as a cozy nook for your necessities. While it doesn't have extra bins or a special spoon, its simplicity is a plus. It meets basic standards for a mini fridge. Consider it a useful piece to add to your registry or keep by your window. Pros: portable, thermoelectric 4-liter size, cooler and warmer, for skincare, eco-friendly, for foods, for medications, for cosmetics, for breast milk, home and travel. Cons: low cooling power, poor build quality, may not freeze well, draws tant power, limited cooling. Not for hot weather, might not last long, less efficient, small capacity, temperature limits. Features: portable design, thermoelectric system, 4-liter capacity, cools and warms, for skincare, for medications, for breast milk, eco-friendly, home and travel, compact size. The CAYNEL Mini Fridge is a small, portable fridge with a 4-liter space that can cool or warm things. It uses a thermoelectric system and is eco-friendly. You can use it to keep skincare, medications, breast milk, food, and drinks cool or warm at home or while traveling. It's designed to be easy to carry around. The CAYNEL Mini Fridge is a small, portable, 4-liter thermoelectric cooler and warmer designed for skincare, foods, medications, cosmetics, and breast milk, making it useful at home or while traveling. It's advertised as eco-friendly, but it has some downsides like low cooling power, potentially poor build quality, and limited cooling capacity, so it might not work well in hot weather or for freezing. It also uses power constantly and might not last a very long time.